Hello Primary 2, how are you? Our lesson today is adding tens and ones. Let's remember how to decompose two-digit number. For example, if I have 46, okay, that means I have 6 in ones and 4 in tens. 6 in ones equal 6 and 4 in tens equal 40. Another example, if I have 35, I have 5 in ones and the value of 5 in ones equal 5. 3 in tens means or equal 30. Okay, let's know how to draw ones and tens. 40 means 4 in tens. 40 equal 4 in tens. Yes, okay. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 means 4 in tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So 46 equal 4 in tens and 6 in ones. And I'll draw tens as a stick like this, and ones mean this small squares like this. And 35 to represent it in tens and ones, or to draw tens and ones. I have how many tens? Yes, excellent, 3 tens. So I'll draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? Excellent, 5 in ones. Once I'll draw it as small squares, as the last example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we remembered how to decompose the number and how to represent it in tens and ones by drawing. First example, if I have 23 plus 12, okay, I want to decompose the two numbers in tens and ones. How many tens in first? In 23, how many tens? Excellent, 2 in tens. 1, 2. And how many ones? 3 in ones. Excellent. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 3 small squares in ones and 2 lines in tens. And I'll represent 12. How many tens in 12? Excellent. 1 in tens. And how many ones? Yes, 2. 1, 2. So I draw 2 small squares. First, I'll add ones with ones. Okay? I have 3 in ones. Here, in 23, 3 in ones. And in 12, 2 in ones. Okay? So 3 and 2 equal, excellent, 5. Let's count. I'll draw 5 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. Sorry, 5 ones. And now I have how many tens? 2 here in tens, in 23, 2 tens, and in 12, 1 tens. So I have how many tens in all? Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 3 tens. Okay, if I have 3 tens and 5 ones, what does it mean? Let's decompose any number in tens and ones. 23 equal, excellent, 2 in tens equal 20 and 3 ones equal 3. And 12 means 2 in ones equal 2 and 1 in tens equal 10. I'll add ones with ones. 3 plus 2 equal 5. Excellent. And 20 plus 10 equal 30. 30 and 5. That means I have 3 in tens and 5 in ones. Now, read this number. This number is 35. Excellent. So the answer will be 35. 23 plus 12 equals 35. Another example, 42 plus 32. Okay. 42 means I have how many tens? Excellent, 4. 4 in tens. So I draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones in 42? Look, Yes, excellent. 2 ones. So I draw 2 small squares. 1, 2 in ones. And 32 in 32. How many tens? Excellent. 3 in tens. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones in 32? 2 ones. So I draw 2 small squares in ones. Let's add ones and ones. Ones with ones. How many ones in 42? I have 2 squares in ones here. And in 32, there are 2 ones. In all, I have 4 small squares. So I drew 4 small squares in ones. And in tens, how many lines? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll draw 7 lines in tens. Okay? Okay, don't forget to count once and put it in ones in 42 and then in 32. Count how many ones? Here and here. Okay? I mean count the small squares and put it under ones. Then count tens. How many tens? And put it under tens. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. Okay? If I have 7 in tens and 4 in ones, what does it mean? Let's decompose a number in tens and ones. 42, we said, equal 2 in ones and 4 in tens. 2 ones equal 2 and 4 tens equal 40. And 32 equal 2 in ones equal 2 and 3 in tens equal 30. Okay, we said we add ones with ones and put it in ones. Okay, after equal. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 30 plus 40 or 40 plus 30 equals 70. So I have 70 and 4. What does it mean? 70 and 4 means 74. Excellent. So 42 plus 32 equals 74. Another example. 27 plus 33 equal. Let's draw 27. What does it mean? 27 means that I have how many tens? Excellent. 2 in tens. And how many ones? 7 in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And 33. How many tens in 33 and how many ones? I have 3 tens and 3 ones. So I'll draw 3 lines in tens. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And how many ones? Also 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's add ones with the ones. I have 3 and 7. 3 and 7 or 3 plus 7 equal what? Excellent, equal 10. So I can't write 10 in ones. What shall I do? 3 plus 7 equal 10. So I can't write 10 in ones. So I'll put, instead of 10 in ones, I'll put 1 in tens. 1 in tens means 10. Okay? Okay, don't forget you have 10 squares. Then I'll turn it into 1 column in tens. Okay? So 3 plus 7 equal 10. I can't put 10 in ones, so I'll put 1 in tens because 1 in tens equal 10. Okay, then I'll count how many tens with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 and 1 equals 6. So I'll draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones? Now I have no ones. Okay, what does it mean? 6 in tens and 0 in ones means 60. Excellent. So 27 plus 33 equals 70. Equals 60. Another example, 36 plus 16 equal, you have 10 squares, then turn it to one column at tens. Okay, don't forget this note. If you have 10 squares, you should turn it into one in tens. Okay, 36, okay, means that how many tens? Yes, excellent. 1, 2, 3. And how many ones? 6. So I'll draw 6 small squares. Okay, and 16 means how many tens? Excellent, 1. And how many ones? Yes, 6. So I draw 6 small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. When I add, I'll count ones with ones or add ones and ones. Okay. Count how many small squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. I can't put 10 in once. So I'll take them and I turn them to 1 in tens. Okay? So, how many ones rest with me in ones? How many the remainder small squares? Okay? Can you tell me how many small squares remain in ones? Yeah, equal. Yes, equal to 2 small squares. So now I have 2 small squares in ones. And how many tens? We said I'll collect 10 small squares and turn them into 1 and tens. Okay? Okay, I'll draw 1 line. And here 3 tens and 1 tens. 3 and 1 equal 4. So I draw 4 lines in tens or 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 5 in tens and 2 in ones. What does it mean? It means 52. So I can say that 36 plus 16 equals